Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be working on my 2008 BMW E60. This is the N54 535, and for today's video I'm going to put LED reverse light. The one I have right now, it works totally fine, but it's just not bright enough, so I go ahead and bought myself. Let me see if I can find it. Oh shit, did I just lost it? Oh, right here. There you go. The LED light. And let me see if I... Alright guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install them. So I took off these, I don't know what's it called, but you know, and to get access to the bulb, because that's the reverse bulb right there, you're gonna have to turn this knob around, and that's it. It just comes right off. It's that easy. Now just gonna take your, sorry guys, just gonna take my new bulb, pull this one out just like that, out with the old in. Alright guys, so it's in. Well, I did had a little trouble because as you guys can see, it's this part is a little thicker than the original bulb right here. So let me hold it side by side for you guys right here. But it's in. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and see if the light works.